Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the DJI Neo, an affordable and beginner-friendly drone designed for capturing stunning aerial footage. With its compact design and powerful features, this drone is perfect for both novice and experienced users. Let's explore its features and performance in detail. Design and build quality. The DJI Neo features a sleek and lightweight design, weighing approximately 135 grams. Its dimensions are 130 x 157 48.5 millimeters, making it highly portable and easy to carry. The drone includes fully enclosed propeller guards, ensuring safe flights and protecting the propellers during takeoff and landing. The palm-sized design allows for effortless palm takeoff and landing, adding to its user-friendly nature. Camera quality. The DJI Neo is equipped with a half-inch image sensor that captures 12 megapixel stills and 4K video at 30 fps. The lens has a 117.6 degrees field of view and an aperture of f2.8, providing excellent image quality and low-light performance. The camera supports multiple resolutions and frame rates, ensuring flexibility for different shooting scenarios. Recording capabilities. The Neo supports high-resolution video recording, including 4K 16:9 3840 x 2116 at 30 fps, 1080p 16:9 1920 1080 at 60 50 30 fps. The drone also features electronic image stabilization (EIS) with rock-steady and horizon balancing modes, ensuring smooth and stable footage even in challenging conditions. The maximum video bitrate is 75 megabps, providing high-quality video output. Focus and tracking capabilities. The DJI Neo incorporates advanced AI algorithms for intelligent tracking, making it an excellent personal flying camera. It supports various quick-shot modes, such as circle, rocket, and droney, allowing users to capture dynamic and creative shots with ease. The AI subject tracking ensures that the subject remains in focus, even during complex movements. Stabilization and gimbal performance. The Neo features a single-axis mechanical gimbal combined with rock-steady and horizon balancing stabilization technologies. This setup significantly reduces image shakes and corrects horizon tilt within 45 degrees, ensuring smooth and stable footage. The gimbal's tilt range is -120 degrees to 120 degrees, providing flexibility for different shooting angles. Performance. The DJI Neo delivers impressive performance with a maximum flight time of approximately 18 minutes and a maximum flight distance of 7 kilometers. It can ascend at speeds up to 3 meters per second in sport mode and has a maximum horizontal speed of 16 meters per second in manual mode. The drone is also capable of withstanding wind speeds up to 8 meters per second, level 4, ensuring stable flights in various conditions. Versatility and use cases. The DJI Neo excels in versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether you're capturing scenic landscapes, action-packed sports, or everyday moments, this drone provides the flexibility needed for various scenarios. Its compact size and advanced features make it a valuable tool for both hobbyists and professional filmmakers. Connectivity and features. The Neo supports multiple control methods, including the DJI Fly app and the RCN3 controller. It can connect to smartphones via Wi-Fi, allowing users to control the drone using virtual joysticks on the app interface. The app also offers voice control, enabling users to pilot the drone with spoken commands. Additionally, the Neo can record audio with the DJI Mic 2, ensuring clear sound even during low-altitude flights. User experience. Users have praised the DJI Neo for its exceptional build quality, advanced capabilities, and user-friendly design. The drone's comprehensive features and intuitive controls make it accessible for both experienced and new users. However, some users have noted that the drone's small size may require careful handling to avoid damage. Price and value. The DJI Neo is priced at approximately $199, making it an affordable option for those seeking a high-performance drone with advanced features. Despite its low price, the Neo offers excellent value, providing a range of capabilities typically found in more expensive drones. Conclusion. The DJI Neo is a compelling choice for anyone looking for a versatile, high-performance drone at an affordable price. Its advanced capabilities, robust design, and comprehensive features make it a valuable tool for capturing stunning aerial footage. Overall, the DJI Neo offers a balanced mix of performance and features, making it a strong contender in the drone market. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.